Have you ever wanted to reboot, reset your confidence? I know I have. I know a lot of you out there have. And here's a secret that no one talks about. Everybody wants more confidence. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're the CEO or the head of some major group. Everybody naturally longs for more confidence. And here's why. It's actually biology. There's a little piece of our brain, the primal part of our brain, that is always questioning and always wanting to be cautious and keep us safe. It's that same part of the brain that was at work back when, in prehistoric days, when it kept us from getting eaten by tigers. It kept us reproducing the race. It kept us healthy. It kept us alive. But that part of the brain today still acts up when fear hits, when we worry about something. And because we feel that, we lose confidence in doing the things we know we need to do. But what's the biggest cure? What's the biggest reboot for your confidence? It's not waiting for someone else to recognize you. It's not waiting for the magic wand or the lightning strike or something just to fall out of the sky. The best way to rebuild, reset your confidence is to take an action. Maybe it's an imperfect action. Maybe it's a conversation that you just need to start. It's acceptance of a situation that you've been trying to make work, and you realize it's just not working. So something has to change. But we often stop and we don't take action because what we're waiting for is we're waiting to feel confident. But it works the other way around. You have to take the action in order to build your confidence. It doesn't matter if that action works or not. Taking the action, reaching out, having the conversation, asking for what you need, doing the thing you know you need to do. That's the secret to rebooting your confidence and getting on the track that you need to be so that you can soar through your career. I'm Darcy Eikenberg. Put your red cape on. Join me in soaring through your work and your life.